guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to announce our launch of MagiKal Beauty. So I just turned on the camera and lights and I'm not sure how I'm gonna go or what this is going to be. It might be a video on my YouTube or on just social media. I'm not quite sure. I just wanted to share that we are now live with MagiKalBeauty.com and yeah, we're up and running. I'm super excited. It's been a long journey in creating this product. So I'm excited to announce our new collection of setting powders infused with real pearls. And we have 3 formulas in our, I guess you would say, our first launch of our cosmetic line. So yeah, I just wanted to announce that we are now live and we are launched and ready to go, and super stoked. It's been quite a journey for me. You know, honestly, I've learned a lot about myself through this whole process of launching our cosmetic line, and actually, you know, going forward in this journey of something that I'm truly passionate about. I've always been passionate about pearl powder and what pearls can do for the skin. And so to be creating a product from concept to marketplace has been, you know, it's been quite a challenge, but so exciting and so rewarding. And I'm super excited to bring this product to the marketplace, something that I feel so strongly about and passionate about. If you followed me for a while, especially on YouTube, you know I've done some videos on my obsession with pearls and what it can do for the skin. And so that is even what sparked the idea for this product. And I've always been passionate about skincare and makeup. And so for this to be here it's truly amazing. And I just wanted to add on a personal note, it's been interesting because it's something that like I said, was created from concept and now to marketplace, and it's something that I've included my kids on in the process and in this journey. And it's been, you know, really fun because as a mother, I wanted to instill those kind of things in my kids about going after your dreams and entrepreneurship and business. And so to include my kids in this process was really special to me. And so I just wanted to announce that we are now live and we are launched. I don't know what the term is. Is it launched? Like that sounds, I don't know, like we're launched. And so I wanted to share a little bit about product. Obviously, I've been doing videos on, you know, our products. I'm actually wearing Radiant Particles now, and we have 3 formulas in our first initial product launch of this cosmetic line, and they are setting finishing powders. And so one of the things that I am very passionate about, I mean, makeup I'm passionate about, pearls I'm passionate about, but when it comes to makeup, I've always had an obsession with setting powders, because, and I say this in all my videos, you know, setting your makeup is the last step to any makeup routine. However, it is the most important because it's going to give you that flawless finish. It's going to just blend everything together and make everything just look amazing. And I've always had an obsession with setting powders for that very reason. And so that's why I wanted to create this collection of setting powders, because I know the importance of a good setting powder, girlfriend, like a good one. And so I wanted to do a setting powder, and I know and so our setting powders have amazing ingredients in them, and I wanted something that was talc free, paraben free, a natural based makeup that also gives you, because sometimes with natural based makeup you always think it's not going to be as good as like the more luxury brands, and that doesn't have to be the case. It never had to be the case. And I wanted to create a product that was still luxury and gives you an amazing finish, but also has, you know, great ingredients, but lacks the bad ingredients. Super stoked just wanted to announce that we are now live, and we're going to have some promotional things coming up here soon. And so make sure you are signed up for our newsletter. You can sign up for our newsletter at MagiKalBeauty.com and get on our newsletter for deals and promotional offers. And like I said, this is just amazing to me, and everyone that's supported me along the way for these products. I thank you, and this is just like me personally thanking you, because anyone that's ever done anything that's outside their comfort zone, that, you know, you're putting yourself out there, it's scary. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared as hell, and I'm still scared as hell. It's not easy, and to have a support system and have people that believe in you and want to see this as a success as much as I do, you know, it means a lot to me. And so anyone that supported me in this journey, I really appreciate it. And that's like heartfelt gratitude. So grateful to have people that actually believe in me. Because sometimes, you know, keeping it real, oh my gosh, I don't want to cry. But keeping it real, ooh, it can be hard. But keeping it real, it can be hard to believe in yourself at some times. And when you don't believe in yourself at those times where things get rough and hard, it's great to have people that believe in you when you don't believe in yourself. So I'm not gonna make this like a crying video or anything like that, because I don't want it to be. But we are live, and I'm just gonna end it here because I don't want it to be like anything like that. So yeah, so definitely check out our products at MagiKalBeauty.com, and I will check you in the next video. Peace.